In the field of language teaching and curriculum development, various types of syllabi are used to structure language learning programs based on different organizing principles. Each syllabus type reflects a distinct approach to language instruction, focusing on specific linguistic aspects or communicative functions. Additionally, the process of needs analysis plays a crucial role in identifying learners' goals and objectives, guiding the selection and implementation of an appropriate syllabus. Grammatical syllabus. A grammatical syllabus organizes language instruction around grammatical structures and rules. Lessons are structured according to the sequence of grammar topics, starting from basic to more complex forms. This syllabus emphasizes the explicit teaching of grammar rules and syntax, aiming to develop learners' accuracy in language use. Functional syllabus. A functional syllabus focuses on language functions or communicative purposes. It categorizes language based on what learners can do with it in various contexts, such as making requests, giving directions, expressing opinions, etc. This syllabus aims to develop learners' communicative competence by teaching language in meaningful, real-life situations. Notional syllabus. A notional syllabus organizes language instruction around notions or concepts that learners need to express. It categorizes language based on semantic concepts like time, quantity, location, etc., allowing learners to understand and use language in relation to different ideas and meanings. Procedural syllabus. A procedural syllabus emphasizes language learning through specific tasks or procedures. It focuses on teaching language in action-oriented contexts, where learners engage in tasks that require the use of language skills to achieve specific goals or outcomes. Task-based syllabus. A task-based syllabus structures language learning around real-world tasks that learners need to perform. Language is taught through meaningful tasks or activities, encouraging learners to use language communicatively to accomplish specific objectives. Content syllabus. A content syllabus integrates language learning with subject matter content. Language instruction is organized around topics from academic disciplines like science, history, or literature, allowing learners to develop language skills while acquiring knowledge in different areas. Needs analysis. Needs analysis is a systematic process of assessing learners' language needs, goals, and expectations. It involves gathering information about learners' proficiency levels, learning preferences, interests, and specific purposes for learning the language. Needs analysis helps educators tailor language programs and select appropriate syllabi that meet learners' individual or institutional requirements.